Ecological pyramids and types of ecological pyramids. Definition of ecological pyramids. It is a graphical representation of trophic structure of an ecosystem. The trophic levels are feeding position in a food chain, such as primary producers, the herbivores and primary carnivores. There are different types of ecological pyramids. They are pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. So coming to the pyramid of number, it shows the number of individual organisms at each trophic level. This is called as pyramid of number. Whereas the pyramid of biomass means the total dry weight and other suitable measures of total amount of living matter that represents the pyramid of biomass. And the pyramid of energy, it shows the rate of energy flow in each trophic level. So this is what is called as the pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. When you consider the two pyramids, that is the pyramid of number and the pyramid of biomass, it shows two types of pyramid. One is the upright pyramid and another one is the inverted pyramid, depending upon the nature of food chain in a particular ecosystem. Whereas the pyramid of energy is always upright. That means the pyramid in the pyramid of number and the pyramid of biomass, you can see both upright as well as the inverted pyramid, whereas in the case of pyramid of energy, you can see only the upright pyramid. Pyramid of number. So the definition is the graphical representation of number of individuals per unit area of various trophic level is called as pyramid of number. So here you can see there are large number of producers. They tend to form at the basal level of the trophic structure, whereas the lower number of top carnivores occupies the top level. So this is the pyramid of number in the grassland ecosystem and the pyramid of number in the pond ecosystem, where the producers occupy at the basal level. It is in turn eaten by the herbivores, and in turn eaten by the primary carnivores, and in turn eaten by the secondary carnivores, and in turn eaten by the top carnivores, which occupies different trophic level in the ecosystem. The producer, the first trophic level, the second trophic level, the third trophic level and the fourth trophic level. So, and here also in case of pond, in a pond, the pyramid of number shows more number in the producer level, and as it goes on to the primary to first trophic level, second, third and fourth trophic level, the number decreases. Okay, when you consider the grassland ecosystem, or when you consider the grassland ecosystem, you can see the producers, which is mainly the grasses, they are maximum in number. And then this shows a decrease towards the apex, that is the primary consumer, the herbivores. It may be like rabbit or mice, etc. But when they are lesser than the grasses, and when you come to the secondary consumer level, they show few number compared to the primary level, and at the top carnivores, it may be hawk, etc., other birds, etc., which shows a least number. So thus the pyramid become upright. And also you can see in case of pond, the number pond, the pyramid is also upright, where the producer, which is mainly it may be a phytoplanktons, it may be algae, bacteria, etc., they are maximum in number, and the herbivore, which is smaller fishes, they may be rotifers, etc., they are lesser in number than the producers, and the secondary consumers, which are carnivores, such as small fish eating and other water beetles, etc., they are lesser in number than the herbivores. And finally at the top you can see the tertiary consumers, the bigger fishes or some of the birds, they are at least in the number. So this two pyramid of number in the grassland as well as in the pond ecosystem shows the upright pyramid. So So as I told you, in case of pyramid of number, you can also see there is a inverted pyramid. Inverted pyramids are always also seen, where single plant support the growth of many herbivores. Okay, and each herbivorous it in turn provide the nutrition to the several parasites which support many hyperparasites. Okay, which supports many hyperparasites. So thus the producer towards the consumers, there is a reverse position, and the number of organisms gradually shows the increase, making the pyramid inverted in shape. You can see there is an increase in the organisms as you compare from the producers to the top carnivorous. So it shows increase in number. So this is inverted pyramid. Inverted pyramid. Next, coming to the inverted pyramid, it may be a spindle shaped also. The producers occupies its basal level. It is in turn eaten by the herbivorous and in turn the carnivorous. And the shape of the pyramid of number may vary in the ecosystem to ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem and the grassland ecosystem, the autotrophs are present in large number as per unit area, and lesser of herbivorous, which in turn support fewer carnivorous. And next, coming to the pyramid of biomass. So it is also a graphical representation of biomass present per unit area of different trophic level, with the producer at the base and top carnivorous at the tip. So biomass can be calculated by the mass of each individual into the number of individual at each trophic level. So you can also see the inverted pyramid in biomass, pyramid of biomass, and in aquatic habitat the pyramid of biomass is inverted, or it may be spindle shaped, where the biomass of the trophic level depends upon the reproductive potential and longevity of the members. The upright pyramid of biomass in a terrestrial ecosystem. So in if you see just the pyramid of biomass, you can see there is a gradual decrease in the biomass of an organism at successive level from the producers to the top carnivorous. The gradual decrease in the biomass at the successive level from producers to the herbivores, herbivorous to primary carnivorous, and carnivorous to the top carnivorous. So this is an pyramid of biomass in a terrestrial ecosystem, which shows an upright pyramid. Okay, and you can also see the pyramid of biomass, in inverted pattern, where you can see the producers in aquatic ecosystem occupies the basal level, and in turn it is eaten by the herbivorous, and in turn eaten by the top carnivorous, where the biomass pyramid of the pyramid of biomass, which shows an inverted shape. Okay, the next type of pyramid is the pyramid of energy, and this also represents the flow of energy through each trophic level of food chain over a fixed time period, and it is also known as pyramid of productivity. So the input of solar energy may be indicated as an extra layer of the base. The pyramid of energy, only 10% of the energy is available to the next trophic level as per Lehman's 10% rule. So the pyramid of energy, if you just see the pyramid of energy, the energy flows goes through different trophic level from the first to the last, and the amount of energy at each trophic level decreases as it moves on into the ecosystem. The energy pyramids gives a best picture to the overall nature of the ecosystem. The number and the weight of an organism at any level, it depends not only on the amount of fixed energy present at any one time in a level just below, but rather the rate at which the food is being produced. Okay. It is also, you can see it is an upright pyramid, and in most of the cases there is always a gradual decrease in the energy content at each successive trophic level, from the producers to the herbivorous, and from herbivorous to top carnivorous, that is various consumer level. So this is about the pyramid of different types of pyramid. Okay. You can also see in this picture the pyramid of energy, where there is, you can see there is a decrease in the rate of energy flow from producer to the tertiary consumers.